Hey, it's better than losing your job or career. And I'm sorry, and I apologize to anybody who's ever lost job or career. I definitely pray that God continues to bless you and you keep moving forward as powerful as you can when you run into roadblocks or situations, or for those that have decided to actually just move on. Either way, it's I want it to be as positive as you can make it and as positive as I can make it for you. So I ain't got nothing but respect and love for you guys. Stay as powerful as you know how. The rest of the way, God will help you, and whatever I can give to you, my contribution is there. Much respect. I love y'all.